Welcome back. Today is another coffee recipe. So for those with cafes, make sure you bookmark this video clip. I am going to recreate pumpkin spice latte by Starbucks, making it my own, and I'm going to call this Golden Spice. Now this drink is all about making use of a very special spice, which is considered as the best spice that fights off cancer cells, one with the highest antioxidants, according to a recent article from Eating Well. Check the description box below for the link. For the drink today, I'm going to make use of 12 ounces cup here, and the ingredients are our espresso shots. I'm going to use a dark roast coffee beans here because it's going to be iced golden spice latte. For the milk, I'm going to use dairy, and I'm going to make use of light cream to make that golden spice cloud or golden spice foam. And I'm going to use my homemade sugar syrup to sweeten the drink. Do check out the link above on how to make this one. And for the golden spice, combine turmeric and cinnamon, equal proportion, half a portion of ginger, and then just a dash of black pepper, and I call that my golden spice. I've got my espresso shots, my cup full of ice here. Now let's prepare the golden spice cloud. Half and half, that is half cream, 15 ml, milk, 15 ml, golden spice, 1/4 teaspoon. Turmeric is a yellow spice. Now we are going to froth to make it airy and make sure that it floats on top of our drink. The beauty of this is that we're using natural spices. There you go. This is our golden spice cold foam. Now let's assemble the drink. Milk, 120 ml of milk here, and then just add a little bit of the sweetener, about 10 ml or less, or skip it completely if you don't feel like using any sweetener in your drink. And I'm just going to stir so that it gets colder. Then I'm going to put my espresso shots to top it up with our golden spice. Golden Spice Latte by Chao. Christiana, this is Golden Spice Latte. The question is this going to be the new pumpkin spice latte? Moment of truth.
So the first taste I get is the turmeric golden spice. I taste turmeric, bit of cinnamon, some pepper, and some ginger.
Yes, exactly the recipe.
It's a bit intense for me, but I can see why some people would like it, but it just wouldn't be the drink that I would go for.
So would you say you prefer pumpkin spice latte, I mean pumpkin spices versus the golden spices?
Yeah, if we're comparing
with coffee?
spices, I would say the pumpkin spice works a bit better because coffee for me has its own unique taste that can be quite strong. So I think that something that's a little more on the spicy side kind of is like fire with fire, whereas the pumpkin spice itself is more of a comforting, smooth taste that balances it out for me. But again, like 2 out of 3 of us like it, so let me know what you guys think, if you prefer the turmeric spice or the pumpkin spice.
Okay, well, we did do a taste test, myself and Jerome included. Both of us like it. Christiana has a little bit of doubt about whether it will fully replace pumpkin spice, because as she said, pumpkin spice complements the taste of coffee, the bitterness of the coffee with the sweetness of the pumpkin spice, whereas the golden spice gives it more kick, so making it a bit too intense. Am I right in my summary?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, well, there you go. The only way to find out is to give it a try yourselves. Now, if you do, let us know in the comment below how you find golden spice latte compared to the normal favorite, which is pumpkin spice latte. In my next video upload, we are going to taste test pumpkin spice versus golden spice when the base is matcha. Stay tuned. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.
Ciao for now.